Yo, what's up?
Yo, what's up? So now we are in Bali Collection Nusa Dua.
I left things unsaid, and you cannot forget how my mistakes haunt us. But do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them. You and I know when we are too far apart, everything just falls apart.
Well,
It's
I think
5:30 p.m.
It has been a long time. Yeah, we haven't been to Nusa Dua.
Yeah, and it's 5:30 p.m. just because I forgot to tell you the time. It's very important. It's 5:30 p.m. Long time we didn't been in Nusa Dua, and the condition over here is how you will see.
Yeah, I think that the last time we were here around 1 month ago, and then domestic, I think that 1 month ago also domestic flight and domestic tourists open coming to Bali actually. But as you see in Bali Collection, still
Not much is happening.
not much is happening and nothing's different, where the restaurant closed and shops also closed.
Yeah.
I don't know, I feel like
For someone who don't know Bali Collection, because maybe you don't know about Bali Collection is the mall, but open air mall, not like a mall in the building like in the big city like in Jakarta for example, but the open air mall, and each restaurant, each shop is the separate building.
Yeah.
And as you can see, this is very long walk path behind us, and it's
yeah, like all in one's area. I mean, like shopping centers, restaurant, malls. Later on also we will see like coffee shops, boutique shop for the
many
clothes.
businesses,
Many
however.
businesses actually.
However, yeah, I will show you. I will make a few snaps now to show you guys around.
Yeah.
So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. I'll keep my head high while we're crossing the land. With all the minds we laid down, it's gonna take us some time, but I won't give up, though I know it's tough. We need to break our patterns. It's better now than after we have drifted off too far. Let's tear down these walls. Our destiny has called. We're walking down a path, and the wind will change at last, like a song about our past. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your
I was just reading the announcement that they are temporarily closed until 30th of April 2020. Well, actually that they are closed until now.
Yeah.
So
sad.
this is how it is, the shop in Bali Collection.
So we are walking, and as you saw, I just saw two businesses open, actually optic shop and sport shop.
Yeah, so
And that's it.
one optic shop actually open, and then oh yes, look at that the clothes shop is open.
Oh,
actually.
Uluwatu clothes
No,
shop.
not
Oh.
this one. I don't know what is it.
Kind of complex of shops, like
Yeah.
Lacoste, some big brands anyway.
Yeah.
But the Ripcool, for example, surfer shop, and well, it's
Oh,
closed.
that's Sogo actually. Sogo is open. The mall.
or the building like the mall. But Sogo is like a Indonesian brand, I think. Yeah,
That's the mall.
yeah, that's like a mall. But next door Starbucks is closed, and this shop is over. Yeah, so that's how it looks, the crack over here.
Yeah, well, actually, that one shop, clothes shop, boutique shop, actually, it's called Giordano, if I'm not mistaken, and also Sogo, the mall, actually, small mall in Bali Collection is open.
However, if you wanna have a dinner or
However-
lunch or even coffee, no chance. I can see. Even the Natis, which belongs to the Coco group, it's closed. So actually, not much is happening, right?
Yeah.
I think we're heading to the beach. What do you think, honey?
Yeah, let's go to the beach then.
Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully, we can enter the beach from the Bali Mall collection.
Yeah, we will see. And this one, the bamboo blonde.
Oh,
Oh my god, it's closed.
Bamboo Blonde is actually empty.
As you see, the Guardian, the pharmacy is actually open in Bali Collection. And I'll show you, this is the north gate of Sogo, the mall. It's open actually. Yeah, as you see, Sogo, the department store, I mean like shopping center, is open actually. So only Sogo, pharmacy and one shop is open. Okay, let's go to the beach.
Of pointing fingers. Come on, let's rejoice of what will come. I have made the choice of thinking bigger. 'Cause you are all that I need. You are all that so I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free.
So quiet. Well, normally at this time, you know, like in summer holidays. Now it's October actually, right? So it has been 7 months, but still, yeah.
It's actually October, so it's October 1st season. There's actually quite a lot of people from, especially from Germany and around. They are coming for the late holiday time, and actually always any time of month at this time it's like a dinner time. So a lot of people over here, and it's a lot of life. But now it's like a little bit ghost mall.
Yeah, I can see that. You know that some malls in Bali are open, like Beach Walk.
Yeah, like Beach Walk is
Plaza
open.
Renon, like level 21, like in the center of Denpasar.
And Kuta.
Like in Kuta, they open. But look at this one in Nusa Dua area. Well, the shopping centers, I can say the malls here closed.
Yeah, the Nusa Dua basically is the heart of the resort and heart of the tourist town, I have to say. And so basically, because of no tourists, this is the biggest ghost place in Bali right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry to say, but that's true, and it's so sad. So sad view.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm not sure if we can go to the beach. No, its gate is closed, honey.
Yeah, let's come back then because of the gate is closed, and then the access to the beach is closed actually, so we have to come back to the main door actually over there.
Oh dear. So I have to hold Winnie by hand because she's already scared.
Well, oopsie. Actually, I already feel scared. I don't know why I feel like something here and my back, on my neck, something like.
And her hand is sweaty, so that's why she's really scared.
Actually, I'm really scared. I don't know why I feel like the energy here is. I know, like like the buildings that is left for almost 7 months or more, and something energy like.
Yeah, it's the
I don't
feeling.
know, the
Honestly,
feeling like-
honestly, I explored a few abandoned buildings in Bali. I didn't make a vlogs yet about that because that was before I used to the
Yeah.
vlog. However, I used to be in the abandoned hotel in Bedugul and in Padang Galak, abandoned park.
Yeah.
I will make a vlog, by the way, in Sanur in this park one day, but I'm afraid about snakes. It doesn't matter. Anyway, the feeling walking now right here is exactly the same. It's like you explore something what is like kinda creepy, right?
Yeah, something like, I don't know, something like
It's
somebody
still-
watching you, but it's nothing. Like it's empty. Like
Well,
the
the-
energy is.
Probably the security watching us on the camera in the
I
office.
don't know.
But yeah, anyway, it's very weird feeling, honestly.
Okay, let's go to the beach now. Let's
go to
grab
the
a
beach.
coffee or maybe grab a drink. Let's go to I don't know, restaurant on the beach. I hope it's open.
We will try.
And then I hope that on the beach we'll have a more positive energy actually.
Yeah, otherwise it will be very sad vlog.
Yeah.
But we'll be happy. Look at me, I will smile no matter of the conditions.
Okay, let's go.
Let's
Yeah,
go.
I feel already scared.
We are just on the other side of the Nusa Dua, where is the access to the beach over there, and there's some very not nice security guys.
Yeah, the security actually so arrogant, and then I just asked why we cannot. Yeah, you cannot go there.
Yeah, it was really like that,
Wow.
but so bad, so
Yeah,
arrogant.
so bad and so arrogant. Even they didn't give us explanation why.
They just said no, you cannot go. They didn't say why, as it's
They
closed.
should learn about hospitality. All right, so actually that we were on the way to go to the beach to Nusa Dua actually, but unluckily when we arrived there, I'm not happy with the security. They are so rude, they are so arrogant. I asked politely, can we get inside, and then they said no.
It's no respect to Balinese, no respect to white person.
I
as
said, what happened? Why? Yeah, because it's closed. No, you cannot get in.
And I parked the car and wanted to talk here, actually next to this entrance, but it's
Yeah.
also some security here and already shouting at us as you cannot even exit the car. So I don't know what should I say.
know.
Actually, honestly, I'm very surprised, and it's not like planned as we wanna say something. But I used to be here
Yeah.
like 2 months ago and was okay, but now it's so bad and so rude.
Yeah,
And so
I don't know. Well, to be honest, that I think that they should learn about how hospitality actually, that especially that they work in tourism industry, at least they give information why we cannot. They just so rude.
Yeah,
Like I say politely, hi, how are you? Can we get inside? Because we plan to go to water blow actually in Nusa Dua. And
this is public beach, but
yeah, this is public beach, but they said no, you are not allowed. And I said, what happened? Is there any event or something? And I said, they're starting to shout at us.
Yeah.
Well, actually, that I didn't record at that time where we are talking, when we were talking to the security, because like
yeah.
how hospitality, even we are the same local, the same skin, but this is not the right way you talk to the people. Being arrogant and being rude, it's not respectful.
Yeah.
So now we will head to
Different part of
different
Nusa Dua.
part of Nusa Dua actually.
I hope so. They are more polite over there.
Yeah, I mean, like, I hope that they are more chilled, and then
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's it. Let's go to the next part. Alright, now we are next to the Coco Mart and the Natis. This is the outside complex of the resort in Nusa Dua. And honestly, Winnie got a little bit upset about the security and general behavior in Nusa Dua complex. For me, you know, I don't give a but for her she got really emotional. However, we will have a lunch over here, very nice place. We used to have lunch already once, and I will show you how is the stuff things over here. As you can see, yeah.
Wait up, ain't got no time for that. I've stayed up, I was hoping that you would change your ways. Wake up, you blew your final chance. Make up, I'm trying but I cannot be mad at you. I don't know how you got me weak. I should leave this to give. Your body's calling me for real. My love's like an enemy. Stay awake till the morning. I hate when you leave me. I hate when I'm lonely. Yeah, 'cause you must trust me. I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you. If I lose you, I would not know what to do. I'm falling for you hopelessly. Hold on, I think I'm losing it. Come on.
Oh honey, how is your condition?
Well, actually, I need to drink water, sparkling water to cool down myself.
Drink honey.
I feel chilled now. Well, actually now we are in Natis restaurant in Nusa Dua. I think this is the only one restaurant that is open, and then we plan to have dinner here. As usual, you will see what Damian order and what I order.
Well, actually, sitting and waiting for the food, and we are thinking as the public beach in Nusa Dua officially is closed. However, if you're gonna go to an hotel, let's say Melia or
The Westin or other hotel, actually, if you wanna go to the other hotel, actually they are open.
and then public beach is
Yeah.
open. So basically, because I remember we used to be on the beach. So basically, if you go to the hotel, from the hotel you can go to the beach and enjoy the beach. But if you are outside, like
Outside guests,
you cannot.
You don't stay in the hotel, and then you just want to go to the beach. They don't let you in.
Yeah, that's
And
actually,
then one thing, the rude security guy will welcome you.
yeah, that's how it is. Oh wait, we're waiting for the food.
Okay,
No,
so,
Nusa
yeah.
Dua. Okay, Nusa Dua. We still can go to Kuta Legel, Sevilla, any part of Bali. We don't need to go to Nusa Dua. That's no worries, not a big deal. Waiting for the food.
Alright, so our food is here actually. I ordered tipat kuah Bali. Well, actually this one is Balinese curry, chicken curry with the rice, and also with the spices, and then the curry. Wow, I don't know what to explain, but actually my mouth is already watering. I wanna try. Okay, I will show you the chicken. This is a Balinese what is it, soup? Yeah.
Alright, so we come back to Sanur, having a coffee, as you see. Today different. I ordered the mocha cafe, honey ordered the, what's that?
Well, I actually feel
That's
like
hot chocolate,
I wanna
actually.
have a hot chocolate.
Like a small kid. No, but definitely is the vibe is here much more friendly than in Nusa Dua, unfortunately. Yeah, well, fortunately maybe.
Yeah, so I also ordered pisang goreng, but they still making
Yeah.
it. Yeah. Alright.
I think that will be enough for today's vlog. We will close it now. Like always, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching, and then yeah, this is how the situation in Nusa Dua. I don't know. I don't know what to say actually.
Little bit disappointed, especially as Nusa Dua is always advertising for Bali. This is the place where is the all very important people coming to Nusa Dua. So it's like they should have a just different attitude to the people, even if it's current situation. It doesn't matter. Anyway, like always, thank you so much for watching. I hope so you enjoyed. Comment below what do you think. Like, share, comment, and something new. Like always, 7 p.m. Bali time. And see ya. Take care, guys.
Thank you.
See ya.
Cheers.
Cheers.